invite Mr. Babar Ali, the youngest headmaster in the world, in October 2009. Sir, please.
Namaskar and Assalamu alaikum. In the year of 2002, when I was a student of class 5 and a boy of 9 years old, I founded a school named Anando Shiksha Niketan, the home of joyful learning for the children coming of poorest of the poor families in the district of Murshidabad, who had no opportunity to avail themselves of the light of formal school education. And now the school has just completed it 18 years at a stretch, and more than 6,000 students has received completely free education from our institution. And at present, the students of this institution, basically the former students of this school, have been acting as teachers after completion of their own academic career in college and universities. Now we are sincerely imbued with the new philosophy of schooling, wherein only textbooks would not be the medium of learning, but also development of human values, igniting innovative spirit and wide awareness of the modern world should be our target to be imparted with various skilled process. And during this pandemic time, rural educators like us, and also the students faced several challenges with respect to digital infrastructure like computer, hardware, software, access to internet and smartphones, etc. And rural educators had to reinvent themselves. Many of the educators quickly adopted to the new normal and started connecting with the students online, but they could not reach every student as most of the students lack either internet access or smartphone or laptops or motivation to learn. It has been a quite challenging time both for teachers, students, and parents during the lockdown period. Learning is a step-by-step process, and this pandemic created huge gap in the learning curve of the students. That way, it is a big challenge for educators to bring the children back to normal learning path. And any challenge gives us an opportunity to learn new things. So in that way, it is an opportunity to educators to learn new ways of teaching and learning. I think we need to come up with a hybrid model of learning combining face-to-face interaction with students and also leveraging the multimedia content assessment and best features of LMS, that is learning management system on digital platforms. I think rural teachers need to be empowered by necessary training on ICT tools, and schools need to be equipped with digital infrastructure so that rural educators and students will not be left behind compared their urban counterparts. Already we have a huge gap between urban and rural, rich and poor. Now we have to ensure that we will not create another divide among the society based on digital technology. It is the responsibility of the government to ensure that all the teachers and students have a level playing field irrespective of their geography, that is rural or urban, by providing necessary digital infrastructure in the rural areas. And it is the responsibility of all the teachers to learn ICT tools and adapt to the new situation and be a role model for the students and motivate them to continue learning in online and offline mode. So thank you.